Hey guys, so in this quick video I'm going to talk about Tradeify and what are the important things for the payout guidelines and what are the important things that you have to be aware of. So when you're gonna trade, trader is you receive 90% of the payout amount requested, and then for the requirements, so you need to have like the 20% here for the consistency, moves to 25% for payout 2 and 30% for payout 3. And then minimum trading days 5 or more trading days must be show a profit greater than. So let's say you're gonna have 50k account, it needs to be 100 150, 200 for 100k, 250 and 150k. So then for the account balance that you actually need for the growth, and let's say for the advanced. So for the growth, to let's say you're gonna have 50k account, you need to have for the withdrawal for 53,000. If you're gonna have 51, you can withdraw. For 100k, you need 104k, and for 150k, you need 156k. So, and that's like really similar also for the advanced too. Now, then payout window. So when you have these conditions met, then you can like withdraw. And the minimum payouts also important. You're gonna have $500 for 50k account, 1k for 100k account, and 1,500 for 150k account. So that's pretty much it for this video, how it works. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.